Hey guys, welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about that how you can upload your files into your servers or anything. For that purpose, firstly you have to work with two files. Front end, what I'm just creating here in the HTML, and the back end which is created in the PHP. Let's just see. Here I have to create the form. And the form here is, firstly I have to provide the action. The action here is I just write that this is file upload, which means that I'm just getting the link of that and then I just upload it into the file upload.php and then set the post method. Now the encryption is the very important part right here, because when you are just encrypt your data, so that will be uploaded into the encrypt form that no one will be decrypt and download your code. If you are running this into the plain text, so the plain text will be uploading to your server, so there will be some of the security leakage as well. So here I just said that this is the multi-part form data right here, and I just close this forms right here. Now here I just write please upload, and the text here is please upload file. Okay, after that here I'm just tweaking. So here I just need to add the input, and the input here is the type of, firstly I have to create the file, just because of I am just uploading the file right here, and here I just write that this is the file upload. Okay, and this is file upload right here, and after that I just close this code right here. Okay, so this is the first thing what I am just creating the file upload right here. This is you can see that look like this, where you can see that choose your file. Hope so you understand now that how you can upload your file with the help of HTML. So this is just an HTML. You have to choose your file as you can see on your normal websites. Then here you can see that I just write that this is submit. Submit is a name, and the file and the type here is the submit button. Okay, and that will get the value of, you can see here, upload. You may say that the upload txt files. Okay, upload text. Okay, that will only get the value of upload text right here. Hope so you understand now. Now here after that you can see I just go to the backend file, and here I have to write the PHP. Close this PHP tag right here. Now here I have to write that, firstly I have to write path. Path is a variable right here, and you have to simply provide the path that where you want to upload this file. So I just set any of the path right here. Okay, where I am just copying this path, and the path here is C, XAMPP, htdocs and PHP course. Okay, now close this code right here. Now here I have to write that this is a path, and the path which is equal to, here I just write that $, and here I just write that this is the path, and the path will be the base name right here. And here I have to write the $_ files. Okay, firstly I have to create the file name right here, where you can see that the name here is file upload. So I am just pasting this name into that directory. Okay, and then here I just said that this was the name of that, and then close this code right here. Now this is not in the quotations mark. Okay, now after that I have to write that if that will move _upload file. So here you have to write file is a global variable, and then here you will get that this is the file upload right here. Okay, then here you have to write that this is temp underscore name, which is a temporary name, and then here I have to write that this is in the file right here. Okay, sorry, this is in the path is by variable here. Okay, and then here I will run this code. This move upload file is a function here to moving the files upload right here. If the file is successfully moved, so here that will generate an message to the users that successfully file uploaded. Okay, and then close this code right here. If this file is not successfully uploaded right here, so simply print the echo statement, and echo here is sorry, file is not uploaded. Okay, please try again. As you can see here, we are just creating a real life examples to it. Okay, where firstly we are creating the forms. Okay, and then here we are creating the backend files where we just give it the address of that. Then we will get the based path right here where this file will be uploaded, and this is getting this file name from this form, and then here this is the name. Same in the case like if the file is moved, so simply that will get the name, then this is a temporary name here, then that will get this path right here and successfully generate an error. And if it is not uploaded right here, so simply that will generate an error right here, which is a file is not uploaded and please try again. So when I just run this code right here, so you can see here where I will find the upload text option and choose your file. If you want to upload the text, so simply upload it right here. If you want to upload the image, so simply upload the image right here. So when I just choose the file right here, which is txt.txt, and I just upload this text right here, so you can see here that moving file upload, then C, so there is directory is the failed right here and no such a directory, which is, let's just give it one another directory right here. So you can see that here I just need to add the C folder only. Okay, here you can see that. So that was the C directory only, and here yes, okay, it's fine now. So C and yes, okay. Now here when I just run this again and continue, so you can see here that failed to open the streams permissions deny in the C file. So we have an error in C file, so let's just see in D file right here. So run it again. So failed to open the stream resource in the drives of C, and here we have the XAMPP working directory in the line number 12 right here, and the file is moving to the upload. And here we have the path where we have the path is a D, and so this is showing me the error just because of here you can see that I didn't have any directory which is saved with the D file, just because of I have just misunderstanding about that. Now here when I just run this code, and you can see here getting this file again and upload this text. So here, sorry for that, firstly I have to create this directory as a E, then run and continue. So here you can see that successfully file will be uploaded right here. Hope so you understand now why it is denying the permissions at the C when I just want to save this file into the C directory. This is just because of I just denied the access of this C directory where there is no file will be saved at the directory of C file right here. Okay, not in the folder, just in the C directory. Okay, hope so you understand now that how we can upload our file into that. If you are working with an online server, so there will be the links connections right there, and we are working with the local host, okay, where we are creating our locals files right here, and we are connecting to that with the locals only. If you are working like the online and with your website, so there will be no errors of the connections right here. Only provide the link of your folder where you want to save your data, and then simply at the place of that path you have to provide the path of that data only. Don't worry about that, the concept is same anywhere. So hope so you understand now. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.